हेलो, वेलकम टू माय इंग्लिश ड्रीम चैनल। इस चैनल में आप आसानी से इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं और अपना इंग्लिश ड्रीम पूरा कर सकते हैं। हैप्पी लर्निंग। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, a 4-year-old child can read this type of book, The Sad Cat, or this type of book, The Cat in the Hat. So, if your child is not able to read book, you can follow these 4 steps. What is the first step is we have to revise all the phonic sound. So let's revise together. A apple, b ball, c cat, d dog, a elephant, f fish, g grape, h horse, e ice cream, j jug, k kite, l lion, mango, nest, orange, penguin, quilt, rose, strawberry, tomato, umbrella, van, watch, xylophone, yo-yo, zebra, and you can sing together song so they can remember or memorize alphabet also. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. So this is the first step. Then second step we will follow. What is the second step? So second step is read the rhyming word. So we have to read slowly so child can understand every sound. Cat, cat, bat, bat, mat, rat, sat, and you can revise again. Cat, cat, bat. Your turn. Very good. Very good. Awesome. Now new word. Hat, hat, bat, bat, pat. Pat means you just tap little, that is called pat. Fat, fat, wet. Wet means container we use in the factory to keep the wine or oil. So just revise once more time. Very good. Awesome. Good job. Fat, very nice. Wet, very nice. So this is the second step. Now we will follow the third step. Now we can teach the third step. What is this? On. What is this? This is preposition. So we can teach new words. That is called side word or preposition. We can teach. So this is Sam. He is on my head. Okay. So you can play with your child. Okay. Like this is marker. It is on my head. Now can you put anything on your head? Like I can put, this is mug. This is on my head. And I can put something on my cheek. Like this is tape. Tape is on my cheek. Okay. So something is or tape is on the wall. Tape is on the board. So what is some surface? It is on it. So let's play this game. You put two things on your head. Very nice. This is on my head. This toy is on my head. Now this book is on my head. So we learned new word. On. This is third step. Always play with your child and teach new word. Now we will learn other step, that is called fourth step. Fourth step is fun and read. Hello, I am Sam. Nice to meet you. Hello, I am Matt. Nice to meet you. Let's read together. Sam and Cat. Where is Cat? Here I am. Nice to meet you. Sam and Cat. Sam, Matt and Cat. Sam, Matt and Cat. Hello. Hello. And hello. Cat sat on Sam. Now Cat sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam. Oh. Saad sat Sam. Saad sat Matt. See? I'm sad. I'm sad too. Sad Sam, sad Matt. Sad cat. Sad cat. Okay Sam. Okay Matt. Okay cat. Good job. So you can read together, you can play. Main thing is when you stay with child, you just make the study fun. Then your child will enjoy. So just play together, just read together and read daily. That will helpful. And phonics always helpful. So just learn that. It is easy. Perfection comes gradually. So enjoy learning, enjoy reading. And if you want to guide me anything, please guide me. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you.